What's up guys, welcome back to EMTVR to day 3 of Project M136. Today we're going to be focusing on the body panels. Well, not exactly on all the body panels, but the body panels of the main frame of the bike. For the previous places we did the front bumper, or I can say the front part, and we did the rear part, and the rear part was so exhausting to do, but we still did it. So in this video, yes, there's like a part left to do, so we are going to be, of course, doing that. So what I'm gonna do today is, of course, do the body panels, and we need to calculate stuff now, because I did some concepts before on how I will actually make the body panel in the middle. I kinda just stuck myself in there, stick myself in the bike, and then just stick body panels around me. That's not a good idea. And I cannot just put the roof and put the body panels. That's gonna be a bit hard as well for me to get in the bike after all. So it looks like, after all, this project is not making my bike to a car. It's making my bike to something like a Harley Davidson. It's basically, I don't know what am I doing, but what I'm gonna do today is to not make the roof, because the roof is a bit really hard, and not make the body panels around me, because that's extreme hard. When you turn the bike, it's gonna block everywhere, so I can't turn the bike, put the body panels around me with me inside of it. And I just have to cover the frame, I guess. Cover the frame, cover the wheels, stuff like that might go sort of okay, I guess. I don't know. I'm just modifying my bike with cardboard. What would I possibly do?
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call.
So for today, we're just gonna put the whole framework, some cardboards there, blocking this package, or this way, and just lifting this up with, I guess the bottle won't go off my bike anymore. Maybe some, covers and rims on my bike, on the front one, so it looks more like a motorcycle. And yes, this is called the Apocalypse. The Apocalypse is called the Apocalypse bike of COV19. This is what you're doing.
Oh, you open up a world behind stars. Oh, you make me see the things I never saw. With you I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow.
pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time.
So here it is, the bike itself, front, back. That is what I was trying to do and tell you the whole time. It looks like some kind of Tesla Cybertruck. I don't know, it's, you know, this whole piece. Here it's all calculated right, because the water bottle won't be going out anymore. Also on the other side, that is done. I need to do something in here, I feel like. I think it's gonna be alright for the time. That's that. So yes, that is it for this episode of, I guess, Project M136. So guys, that's it for this day 3 of Project M136. I seriously, it looks so good. It looks so good from outside. It looks just fantastic as it would in the video. Well, it looks definitely better outside. So yes, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe so the bike will deserve some love. And like if you enjoyed this special episode. Also, if you want to share it, because it looks ridiculous, you can just click the share button to your friends or people like that. That was day 3. The budget panels all done. Day 4, however, is going to be the whole different procedure. We are not going to play with cardboards anymore. However, we're going to use paint to paint the bike. Of course, it cannot just go out like that. It cannot just go out in a tan wood color. So I will be painting the bike for the next episode. So for that, if it's available right now, please click on right there. Or just watch that episode and just go and do it. So thanks for watching and see you next time.